merienda mo tayo.
They said the world was too big to play, that the courts were too far night and day. But we paved the ice in the Yukon snow. We lit the fuse in the jungle glow. From the Fairbanks, across the Aussie dust. In the Rust Belt cities where the iron rush. We got teams in the bunkers, teams in the clouds. A billion screaming faces in the plastic crowds. Al Davis is watching from his cryodrome while the bison wander through the Eagle Dome. This isn't a season, it's a 4-year war. What are you bleeding for? From the tip off now to the final stand. We claim the rock, we claim the land. Universal, we grind it out. Universal, without a doubt. 640 flags unfurled. The heavy weight of a brand new world. You gotta survive the regional hate before you even think about the global gate. Your one is the neighbor, you blood to kill. Your two is to climb up the continental hill. The sound barriers breaking the barrel night. The Lisbon Howells are ready to fight. We got earmuffs on, we got shotguns loaded. The old NBA rules have all eroded. It's survival of the fittest, survival of the sickest. Who's got the stamina? Who is the quickest? You can't buy a ring in a month or two. You gotta live through the cold. You gotta live through the heat. 4 years of sweat, 4 years of concrete.
When you're in the vehicle, whether as a driver or a passenger, it is extremely dangerous.
Damn. Yup. Shit.
Sa unang sinag ng araw tayo ay lilipad sa puso ng isla. Simoy ay yakap, hawak ang pangarap, bukas ang langit. Handa na ang kwento, tara! Sa bayan, mula Luzon hanggang Visayas, hanggang Mindanao, isang sigla. Sa bawat tanawin
pa may alaala. Bawat landing, bagong tula. Kamera't kanta, sabay sa biyahe. Ang mundo'y mas maliwanag kapag kasama ka.
Araw man o ulan, tuloy ang lipad. Sa pakpak ng galing, takot ay lagpas. Sa bawat take-off, sigaw ng loob. Ito ang buhay na gusto kong ulitin.
Kung may hangganan man ang lupa,
Sa langit tayo'y malaya.
isang bansa, isang lipad.
Isang awit na di kukupas. Lipad PH, adventure natin sa himpapawid. Puso'y gigims, hindi pinas. Ikaw ang bituin sa bawat lipad. Pangarap ang sasabay.
Tahimik man minsan ang biyahe,
May bulong ng pag-asa sa ulap. Sa bawat tanong may sagot ang tanaw. Sa taas, malinaw ang bukas.
pagbalik sa lupa, dala ang kwento. Mga sandaling di malilimuto.
Lipad PH, salamat sa biyahe. Hanggang sa susunod na